Welcome back, everybody. If you're new, my name's Nicholas, and this is Investing Against the Grain. Happy MLK Day. Hopefully you have today off. If not, well, that kind of sucks. Hopefully you're still enjoying your day, nevertheless. In today's episode, stock market's closed today. I still want to get something out here because we do have an interesting week to come up. So we'll have a shortened trading week, 4 days only, but this is the week before earnings for Tesla. Earnings will come out January 26th, so it's kind of a big deal right now because the week leading up, normally we see a big run up into the stock. So what's going to happen? I don't know. That's the truth. What could happen, there's a few scenarios that could happen. Either one, we run up, and what normally happens after run up into the stock, it tends to sell off for a couple days, and normally during those days, it's not really a crazy sell-off, but it's more of analysts and everybody trying to digest what just happened. Right? It's almost like, was this real? What just happened here? And then stock tends to take off after that. Another scenario that could play out is that we just kind of hold the line where we are right now. We have seen during these first 2 weeks of trading with Tesla, it has been the most bipolar movements you've ever seen, right? Just up and down, up and down. It's just crazy what's happening. And a lot of this is macro environment related, but some of it is FUD and BS coming out from the woodworks about Tesla. Now, remember, this earnings call, Elon's going to be on there. He's going to give a product roadmap. So that alone may send the stock up just into the run-up. So, that is something to be aware of that we could see. And also, it could just continue to run after earnings. We know we're going to have a blowout earnings, and we never know what Elon's going to say. He might say something to send the stock down. That could be an Elon thing to do. He might say things to send the stock up. That also could be a thing for Elon to do. We don't know. Either way, it doesn't really matter in the big scheme of things because, as you know, this channel is all about investing for the long term. So if you own your shares, if you don't have any crazy short option positions, if you're thinking about the long term, none of this should really matter, right? All of this should be more or less a sideshow, should be a blip on the radar. Now, this might be a bigger blip than normal because I do think this will be one of the biggest quarters Tesla has ever had. But you know what? Every quarter is pretty much going to be that, especially now with Giga Berlin, Giga Austin, opening up soon, and those are going to ramp up. That's just going to add more and more numbers to the bottom line. So a lot of things to be excited about. So during the next 2 weeks leading to earnings, don't take it too seriously. Enjoy it. Have fun with the ride. It's probably going to be a little volatile. It's probably going to be crazy. It's probably going to be one of those days where no one gets any work done because we're just sitting there looking at the stock price nonstop, just going straight up. We've all had those days, but it's going to be fun either way. And lots of things to be excited about. Also, something to be excited about is some of the new merch we have. As you can see, I'm wearing it now. We've got our Fremont, Shanghai, Austin, and Berlin gear out. So you can find a link to our merch store down below in the description. I advise you to get a size bigger than you normally would, especially if you're a male. Mine was a large, so it fits me pretty good. But just a little advice there. All right, we're going to leave it there. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and I'll see you guys next time in Florida.